Hey guys, welcome back to Grilling Addiction with Nick. Tonight, it's spare ribs. We're gonna be running some honey maple rubbed spare ribs with a bourbon barrel aged maple syrup. Guys, this is gonna be amazing. Stick around, let's have some ribs tonight. The star of the show on this one is this whiskey barrel aged maple syrup. Get these rubbed up. I'm gonna put a mustard binder on this, and then we're gonna apply our rubs. Okay, I'm gonna go with the combo of the Butcher's honey rub and the maple rub. Guys, I'm introducing you guys to their sample size packets. You can get these on their website for 99 cents, okay? All right, guys, down on the board, Kyler. We're gonna get the mustards on here. Guys, I've showed you in the past how to remove the membrane. I've got the membrane removed. We're just gonna hit it with a little bit of mustard as a binder. And guys, you're not gonna taste this mustard, but it's just gonna help our rub adhere to the meat, okay? We just want to get these rubbed in. These are St. Louis cut tonight. I left a little bit of the top of these because these were a shorter rack of St. Louis. But we're gonna hit it with the honey rub as our base layer. I'm gonna go kind of light on the bottom here. All right, just like that. And then we're gonna go with our maple rub. All right, guys, and we get these, we're gonna pat this in. We're gonna get these flipped over. All right. Go down with the mustard. And this top layer, we're really gonna hit it heavy with the rub, okay? We wanna get some great color. This honey rub, I'm gonna tell you, throws some of the best color out there. Move around while I'm seasoning. And then we're gonna go with our maple rub. We're gonna save a little bit of this maple to go on our wrap. All right, guys, that is a perfectly seasoned slab of ribs. And now what we wanna do is we wanna let this set on the cutting board for 15 to 30 minutes and let it, the rub adhere to the meat and tack up. It's gonna look kind of wet and like a real good mahogany red color when it's ready to go on the grill, okay? Tonight we're gonna be using my barrel cooker with applewood trunks. This is local applewood as well, which is gonna put some great smoke on these. We'll catch you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, these ribs are ready to go on the grill. Kyler, come on down, and I want you to see what they look like. They're nice and tacky. The rubs adhere to it. It's got a great color, and they're ready to go on the grill, okay? All right, guys, kind of scrunch them up just a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and rotate this one more time. I'm gonna set these right here. All right, guys, this is how we're gonna do this. We're gonna go down with a little bit of brown sugar. All right.
Brown sugar.
Then we're gonna go with some of our rub. That was the honey rub. And then we're gonna go with our maple rub. All right, guys, and the star of the show on this one is this whiskey barrel aged maple syrup. All right, guys, whiskey barrel maple syrup. Okay, this brand is the Crown. We're just gonna go just like that right there. Then we're gonna take our ribs. Oh, one more step. We got butter. All right, and then ribs. Look at the color on these ribs, guys. They go right down on there. All right, we're just gonna do a little bit of rub on the backside. Okay, and then we're gonna go with a little bit more of the maple. All right, and a little drizzle of our Crown maple syrup. Right, just like that. All right. And then what we want to do is we want to make sure that we don't pierce this foil. What I like to do is I like to bring it together like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to work it down just like that right there. Alright, we want it tight on the sides, and we just bring it straight back up. Alright guys, now these will go right back on the grill. Guys, we're going to go ahead and check these, kind of open them up on here. We'll lift them up. I want them to have a little bit of give to them, probing out. .204, looking for no resistance. So when I poke that in there, I don't want the ribs to pick up with it. Alright, they're pretty tender. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna flip them over, and I'm gonna get the sauce that's in the wrap here on it, and we'll let that tack up just a little bit, and then we'll get them on the board and slice them. That's after about 10 or 15 minutes with this tacking up. We're going to get these on the cutting board and get them sliced up. Some good looking ribs. About to get sliced into these ribs. Quick recap, we got some St. Louis spare ribs, and we used the Butcher's honey rub and the maple rub, and I told you guys how you can get these sample packs on their website. And we also, when we wrap this, we used some whiskey barrel aged maple syrup, and man, I'm excited. We got some great color on these. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get these sliced up, and we'll get them, give a taste for you guys right here. Over just like that right there. These things are whipping hot. right, guys, taste test time. I'm gonna go for this one right here. Look at that, guys. Good smoke on it. We use the apple wood. Here we go. Great bite. Really balanced flavor. And you get, the maple rub's got a little bit of a kick to it, but that whiskey barrel aged maple syrup, man, it really complements this really good. These are some great ribs. You guys be sure and try these at home for yourself. Hey guys, that's the wrap on another great video. Man, who doesn't like ribs? And these are some amazing ribs. If you want to up your rib game and be the star of whatever it is, your block, your backyard, your house, whatever that is, you got to try this recipe, man. It's just another great cook at Grilling Addiction with Nick. You guys be sure to like and subscribe, ring the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Hey, we'll catch you guys on the next video. We're out.